Hello again, Kurtiz. Sorry, I was just getting stuff set up there. I see you have a similar looking problem, and it looks like you did a good job specifying this time. So let's get to it. So we got 8 over x plus 3 plus 3 over x is equal to 1. So let's go for it. All right. So we got 8 over. I need to switch the pad. So let's do this again. 8 over x plus 3 is plus 3 over x equals 1. So this is more difficult than the one you first posted, but we'll get through it. So what's really good is fairly easy to do. To get rid of your denominators like this, you just multiply through the whole equation by that one denominator. Okay? So let's watch this. So I'm going to multiply through by x. So this one, and this one. So now you have 8x over x plus 3 plus 3x equals x. Alright, so notice what happened to this. It's x over x, so that cancels. Alright, and so now here comes a little bit more difficult part. You're going to multiply it by x plus 3. Okay? So the way this is going to work is, well, I'll just show you. You're just going to go like this. You can go 8x times x plus 3 plus 3 times x plus 3 equals x times x plus 3. Alright, so now let's do this. So we got 8x squared plus 24x plus 3x plus 9 equals x squared plus 3x. And then see how I got rid of those x's on the bottom? So now that everything's on the top, you can just go ahead and combine like terms. So 24x plus 3x minus 3x. So well, see, these are the same on each side, so we can just cross those out. And then I can subtract an x squared. Subtract x squared. I'm running out of space because I wrote bad. Alright, and so now you have 7x squared plus 24x plus 9 equals 0. So see, you now have a basic quadratic, and I'll solve that right over here. So 7x squared plus 24x plus 9 equals 0. Alright, so I'm sure you've seen these quite a few times, but here we go. Kind of an ugly one, but that's alright. You know what? You can do a couple methods. You can do completing the square, or here, let me check on something real quick. Let me make sure I'm looking at this right. Yeah, I am. So you can use quadratic formula or completing the square. So let's just do quadratic formula. So go x equals the opposite of b. So that's b. This is c, and this is a. So the opposite of b, so minus b. So negative 24 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 24 squared, minus 4 times a times 7 times c, 9, all divided by 2 times a. So that would be 14. So x equals, yeah, and you plug that in a calculator. I don't have a calculator with me, but that's how you do it. I hope you're wondering how to do it and not just wanting an answer. So all you have to do is plug it in there, and then you will have two answers for x, and they might be irrational or whatnot. So, but yeah, so remember when you're trying to clear these on the bottom, multiply through by each one of the denominators, and that's how you clear the denominator. All right, thanks.